Creating content is exciting until you have to film yourself. Setting up the camera, fixing the lighting, building the studio, and recording take after take. I do all this alone. It's a little bit personal headache. Platforms like HeyGen solve this problem, but here's the problem. Their creator plan is around $29 a month, and they only gave you access to the Avatar 3, which is not their best model. Their actually best model are Avatar 4 and Avatar 5, which you need to purchase more credits on the top of that subscription. So the moment you want quality, the build starts climbing. I built a completely free system instead. What you are looking right now is one of those avatars that are generated with my system. The expression, the voice, the hand movement, all generated by AI. And honestly, it looks better than what I was getting on the HeyGen's paid plan. And I'm going to show you that how to build one for yourself. The whole process follows what I call the avatar assembly line. The first time setup takes around 10 to 15 minutes, and after that every new video just paste your script and generate. Let me walk you through it. The first step is what I call the scene DNA extract. This is where you take a single photo of a studio background and reverse engineer it into something that AI can build it from scratch. Head over to Pinterest and search for Creator Studio background. Find a setup that matches the vibe you want. Cozy, tech heavy, minimalistic, whatever fits your vibe. And save that image. Now open Gemini, upload the studio photo and paste in the analysis prompt I have linked in the description. Gemini takes that one image and breaks it into a structured blueprint. Every light source, every piece of furniture, every color and every texture all mapped out in exact position. Think of it like scanning a room and then building a detailed floor plan that AI can read and rebuild it from scratch. You create this blueprint once and it becomes the foundation for every video forward. But a studio without a face is just a background. And that's where the step 2 changes everything. The face mint, where you generate your actual face of your AI avatar. Head over to Google Flow and sign up with your Google account. Completely free. Create a new project and you are ready. You have two ways to generate the portrait. First is the Google Flow's built-in character feature. Click on the character section in the sidebar and you will find pre-made prompts you can use. They work well, but the results tend to look a little bit plasticky and artificial. The second way is the one I actually recommend. I have built a custom Gemini gem specifically for creating avatar portraits. You open the gem, it's linked in the description, and describe what you want your avatar to look like in plain simple words. Hairstyle, skin tone, expression, edge, just natural language. The gem takes your description and generates a highly detailed photorealistic portrait prompt. Copy that prompt, go back to Google Flow, paste it in, select Nano Banana Pro as your model, set the aspect ratio to 1:1, choose 4 variations and hit submit. Pick the portrait you like the best or regenerate until you are happy with it. This is now the logged identity of your AI avatar. Save it because everything from this point depends on this single photo. Now, most people would stop here, but a headshot without a studio or environment doesn't make a video. That's what step 3 is for. The studio drop merges your AI avatar into the background you have generated in this step 1. Drag your saved portrait into the prompt box on Google Flow, paste in the studio generation prompt, also linked in the description. Before you generate, do 2 quick things. Paste your studio blueprint into the background section of prompt and describe the outfit you want your avatar wearing. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 for a landscape studio shot. Select Nano Banana Pro, 4 variation and submit. What comes out is a photorealistic image of your AI avatar sitting in a professional creator studio looking directly into the camera, matching the exact vibe you want from the Pinterest. This is now your permanent studio frame. Every single video will start from this one image. The avatar looks real, but it still doesn't talk. And the entire point of this system is talking avatar. So let's fix that out. Step 4 is the prompt slicer. Google Flow uses the Gemini Omni Flash to generate up to 10-second video each, and free user get 50 credits daily, meaning about 3 free clips daily, and image generation cost 0 credits. But here is the challenge. You cannot paste a 5-minute script into a 10-second video generator and expect it to work. You need to split your script into precise and back-to-back segments that flows seamlessly. That's exactly what my custom skill does. It's a downloadable file linked in the description that you can upload to Claude. Head over to claude.ai and sign up. They give you free daily usage. From the sidebar, click Customize, then Skills, and upload the skill as a zip file. Once it's loaded, start a new conversation and type / and select the skill from the drop-down. And the skill will ask you a few things: your avatar studio image, a name, pronoun, and how you want your avatar to sound like. It analyzes your avatar and configure itself automatically. Then start new conversation, activate the skill again, and paste your full video script. It slices the script into batch of consecutive 10-second video prompts, perfectly timed and sequenced. Take the first prompt, go back to Google Flow, paste it in, switch to the video section, select frames mode and Gemini Omni Flash as the model. Drag your studio image as the first frame and generate. Repeat this for every prompt in the batch. You have generated all your clips, but there's one problem. Each 10-second video has a slightly different AI generated voice, and that inconsistency breaks the illusion. Step 5 fixes this permanently: the voice lock. Download all your video clips, import them into any editor. I use Filmora. Arrange them in order on the timeline and cut the parts you don't want in the video, and export the whole thing as a single MP3 audio file. Now you have two options. The first is Adobe Podcast. Upload your MP3, run their speech enhancement, and download the cleaned version. It sharpens the audio quality, but it doesn't change the voice.
Hello there. What if I told you the person speaking to you right now doesn't actually exist? Hello there. What if I told you the person speaking to you right now doesn't actually exist?
If you are in rush, it's the best option. But if you want the best result, the second step is what I recommend. Go to ElevenLabs and sign up for free. They give you 10,000 credits per month at no cost. Browse their voice library. They have hundreds of voices that sounds like actual humans. Pick one you like and save it to your library. Go to Voice Changer tab. Upload your MP3, select your saved voice, adjust the setting and hit generate. What comes back is your entire script spoken in one consistent, natural, human-like voice. And drop that new audio back into your editor, mute the original clips and drag the ElevenLabs track underneath. And just like that, you have a fully talking, realistic AI avatar delivering your speech in a professional creator studio.
Hello there. What if I told you the person speaking to you right now doesn't actually exist? I am a completely custom AI talking avatar generated by code, pixels, and deep learning algorithms. Every movement, every eye blink, and every word you hear is generated in real time without a single camera recording. The real question is, can you actually spot the difference, or did I totally fool you?
And it cost you $0. No $29 subscription, no extra credit pack, no compromise on quality. You can repeat this process for unlimited video with same voice, same character, and same studio image without ever stepping in front of a camera again. All the prompts, skill files, and resources I used in this video are down in the description. Make sure to drop a like, and I'll catch you in the next one.